Okay, so magandang araw po mga kanumero. Ngayon naman po, ang i-discuss natin is changing decimal to fraction. So, paano ba ang pag-change ng decimal to fraction? So, actually, madali lang naman po siya as long as marunong kayong magbasa ng decimal. So, for example, I have here 0.5. So, alam na ng karamihan na pag 0.5, that is 1 half. Pero paano naging 1 half ba talaga siya? So, actually, pag binabasa kasi ang 0.5 during elementary days is hindi naman 0.5 talaga. Yung pinakauna, ang pagbasa nito is 5/10 because the place value of 5 is in tenths value. So, pag dalawa, hundreds, pag tatlo, that is thousands. So, babasahin mo lang siya. So, halimbawa, meron dito, 0.5. So, paano pagbasa nito? 5/10. So, yun lang. Pag nabasa mo na, change mo na sa fraction. That is 5/10. Ganun lang po. And then, syempre, kasi fraction siya, kailangan naka-lowest term or i-simplify natin. So, 5/10. So, numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. So, divide it by 5, divided by 5. So, the answer is 1/2. So, 0.5 is 1 half. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Another. Ito, basahin ulit natin. 0.4 is 4/10. Again, dapat naka-lowest term. So, 4 and 10 is divisible by 2. So, divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, 0.4 in fraction is 2/5. Okay, diretso na natin. Number 3. And dalawang decimal place. So, this is already in hundreds. Kanina tens kasi isa lang. So, 0.36 is the same as 36 hundredths. And then, lowest term lang natin. 36 and 100 is divisible by 4. So, 36 divided by 4 is 9. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So, 0.36 is 9/25. Okay. Ngayon, eto na tayo. Sa number 4, nung nakaraan, nag-change tayo ng fraction to decimal. May lumalabas na repeating decimal. So, sa ngayon, meron tayo 0.6 vinculum. Ibig sabihin nito, 0.666666 infinitely. Walang katapusang 6 to. Repeating to. Paulit-ulit lang na 6. So, paano siya chine-change into fraction? So, actually, ang technique lang naman, kasi hindi mo naman ito mababasa as, iba yung 0.6. This is 0.6. Pag pinalit natin, this is 6/10. Pero, hindi naman, stop na siya dito. Wala namang susunod na number. Ito, 6666. So, magkaiba silang dalawa. So, ang mangyayari lang dito, actually, may algebraic solution nito, algebra, pero, may mas madaling solution, ang gagawin lang, diba dapat 6/10? So, ang shortcut is, imbis na 10, babawasan lang natin, gagawin lang natin 9. Babawasan natin ng isa. So, kung ilan yung umuulit, yun lang yung number of 9s. Mamaya, makikita natin sa number 5. So, again, pag 0.66666 is 6, kasi yun yung umuulit, and then over 9. And then, syempre, i-lowest term natin, which is equal to 2/3. And then, for number 5, ito, 0.12121212. So, may bar lahat. Yung 1 at 2. Kaya 12121212 pa ulit-ulit lang yan. So, that is 12/, kasi dalawa yung umuulit, imbis na 9, 99 ang gagawin natin. Yun yung mas madaling paraan. Pero kung may gustong mas mahirap na paraan ng konti, may algebra nito. Okay? So, 12 and 99 divisible by 3. So, i-divide lang natin by 3. So, this will become 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 99 divided by 3 is 33. So, ang 0.12, 12 is 4/33 in fraction. Okay, so this is again changing decimal to fraction. Sa mga nagustuhan po ang video, paki-follow naman po. And then paki-like, share. Salamat!